my next video, I'd like to do one on how to find the source of a photograph that you've taken. So this is a really neat feature, a very powerful feature, one that I use quite a bit. So to give some preface, I am using the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I believe this will go back to some S25, maybe the S24. I think anything that's running One UI 8 and above. So that would be 8.5, but right now I'm running One UI 8.5, the final edition, of course, on the S26. So let's dive right in and get to what I'm talking about here. So say, for example, you go to a YouTube video, and I'm going to go to one of my own videos so they don't nix me. And this is one of my own. Let's go past the advertisement.
It's only 18 megabytes, and they can work.
And we'll go skip, and then we will take
on
a screenshot
Galaxy
of this. Okay, so you
Samsung
think, okay, cool, it's just a screenshot, no big deal.
But this can be done.
What's cool about this is it will retain where you take your screenshots. So, and this holds true for websites, videos, anything that you take a screenshot on that's on the internet, it will embed that information into the screenshot so you can later go back to it. So how do I do that? So here we go to gallery, we go to this, and then see there at the bottom it says go to source. So I tap on go to source, and there it is. And there's no, as far as I know, there's no setting for this. I don't remember ever setting a setting. That's kind of bad English there. I don't remember ever putting or turning on a setting for this. It's just built into each picture. So if you go to a website, let's say we go to, I don't know, say Google.com. And then we'll just take a picture of the opening screen. And then we'll go to our gallery and we'll go to the opening screen. There it is, go to source. So I do a lot of note taking. I do a lot of reference items. So I don't use my note app like I should. But when you have something like this, all you have to do is take your pictures, you go into the gallery, and there it is, and then you go to source, and there's the picture. Now it changed now, of course, but it's a very powerful feature. It's one that allows you to be able to go back on things that you don't remember where you got, and you can automatically go to the source of where it's at. And this works, like I said, on websites, on YouTube, just anything online. It's going to take a picture, you take your picture of it, and then you have to do it in gallery. So there's some kind of embedding in the actual gallery app that you just click on go to source and it'll take you right to where you took that picture. Very powerful. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.